Look at this badge. You won't see a Toyota logo. You see a golden phoenix. This bird represents the Japanese imperial house. It represents immortality, and it belongs to a car so exclusive most people don't even know it exists. This is the Toyota Century SUV. For 50 years, the Century nameplate was reserved for the Emperor of Japan, the Prime Minister, and the bosses of the Yakuza. It was a sedan, it was conservative, it was forbidden to the outside world. But now, Toyota has transformed it into this, a $170,000 SUV that is aiming its guns directly at the Rolls Royce Cullinan. So what makes a Toyota worth the price of a house? It's the obsession with detail. Watch the rear door. It doesn't just open, it slides electrically, silently. Why? So a lady in a kimono can enter the vehicle without bending her dress. Step inside, and you won't find flashy disco lights like a Mercedes. You find Omotenashi, the Japanese spirit of hospitality. The seats recline fully flat like a first-class airline suite. And if you need privacy from the paparazzi, press a button and the clear glass window instantly turns frosted white. No curtains, just magic. Under the hood, there is no screaming V12. Instead, a 3.5-liter plug-in hybrid V6. Critics say it's not special enough. Toyota says silence is the ultimate luxury. And unlike a Range Rover, this engine will probably last for 100 years. Here is the verdict. The Rolls Royce Cullinan costs $400,000. The Toyota Century costs less than half of that. Is it as flashy? No. But wearing a Rolex is easy. Driving a Century means you appreciate something deeper. It is quiet wealth. It is stealth wealth. But I have to ask, would you spend $170,000 on a Toyota? Let me know in the comments.